All right, this is probably the charger. Let's see. Okay, there's a cable. And inside you also have an instruction manual that nobody will ever read, but I might. And this is cool. The charger, let's see, yeah, that will go in this part here. Yep, it went in. And this is going to go for the wall. Drive me up the wall. Fantastic. All right. Let's see what else we got here. So many things in this kit. I hope this is the battery, because I don't know. Cool, it is the battery, and the battery looks smaller than I expected, but it is a 4S. Okay. I better know how to charge that.
Likey